Headers and footer. We can add headers and footers anytime to the document. We can go for this by using Page Layout, View Directly, or we can go to the Page Setup menu, where we will find quite more control over the settings of header and footer. First, we will see the custom header, where you can see the three sections such as the left, the center, and the right. Here, we see the dialog box that contains formatting of text, tabs like Add Page Numbers, Date, Time, Folders being the path, the file name, and the sheet name also. While working with headers and footers, we always prefer to have a date on the spreadsheet. Often the center is the name of our worksheet. Now, see that it comes up as an ampersand, bracket, and tab. This is the coding that is inserted when we press the button. The same thing takes place when I press the calendar or the date. It too put in the coding for the date. That means that every time the date changes, it'll change automatically on the spreadsheet. If someone renames a tab or a worksheet, it will automatically change in the header. In the right section, you can add a page number on the top. Anytime if I want to delete something, I'm just going to highlight it and then I'm just going to hit my delete key. If I want the word draft in the right hand corner, I can do so. I can also highlight it and use the font button to make it bold, put it as large or as small as I want to, and if I'd like to have a red coloring, I can also put coloring on. Now when I will click on OK, you will notice that the header line comes up above custom header next to the pull bar. On the top, it displays me exactly what my header will look like when I say OK. You'll now find right within my actual print preview, I can see each of the items that I just placed in. You can customize the information by simply using pull-down defaults. Some of those include page 1 of the total number of pages. For footer, notice at the bottom it has a page number by default. Here I can have page 1, but I can also have the name of the spreadsheet. If I want to customize it, I can go for Custom Footer button and can again remove any of the data. Now, you'll observe this says page ampersand page and brackets. I'm going to print the word page, going to add it to the field called the page number. If I want this to say page 1 of multiple pages, I will go to my icons and click on the number of pages button so the page number tells you which individual page you are on. The insert number of pages is page 1 of 20. If I click on OK, once again it shows me exactly how my text will work, so I can select from the pull-down list, select any of the items that are existing. I can customize any item by working with the custom header or working with the custom footer, and at any given time you can change this. Notice also that you are able to print different odd and even pages, different first pages, and you can even align with the page margins. Next to header and footer, you'll also see the sheets. You will observe on the sheets that we can actually put a specific row on the top. This can be an additional method of working with our page layout.